What's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new mouse. That's right. So right now I have this mouse right here. It's super old. It has some paint marks on it right here. It's coming apart, as you can see right here. So we're going to toss this. We don't need that anymore. Screw that mouse. And I now have a new mouse called the E-YOOSO. So here is the E-YOOSO, and this is the box it comes in. It's just a nice, simple white box. Nothing crazy with the packaging, but we'll take it. And you just open it up like so. Comes in this nice bubble wrap, and then here we go. Here is the mouse. Okay, so just for size comparison, now I can't even palm a men's basketball, so I don't know if that helps you give a size reference for how big my hand is. I am 6'3", so my hands may be bigger than yours, depending on your height, but this is the size of the mouse. Here's it over my hand. So it's actually not a small mouse, so I'll actually bring over this one too. So here's the old one, and here's the new one. This one's definitely significantly bigger. It feels like a more full fit. It also has the side right here where you can put your thumb, which is kind of nice, and then click on buttons. And this one's just super nice and smooth looking. Not sure if you can hear it. You'll see that the receiver is right there, so you're gonna actually want to pull that out. So if you have like really big hands, it might be hard to pull out, but you're gonna want to plug this USB piece into your computer so it's actually connected, and then put the battery in like so. So I have these rechargeable batteries that are pretty nice. Actually, I could do a review on these if you guys are interested, but it's a USB battery that you can just plug into your wall to charge back up and put in to your mouse. Okay, so now I'm just on Google, and this mouse moves so quickly. So I'm gonna try to hit the center button and see if it slows it down with how quickly the mouse moves, because right now I can go like across the screen way too fast. So let me see if oh, okay. So I just hit this button and it slowed down the mouse movement. All right, it's a little faster, even more faster, even easier, super fast, and then it's slow. Okay, I like that. I've never had that functionality with this mouse before. And then it's got all this amazing technology: working standby, auto sleep, press to activate. So let's say you're not using your mouse and you want to save battery life on it, then you don't have to worry. If you're not moving the mouse, it's going to go into sleep mode, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't know mouses offered that, so that's awesome. All right, so my final thoughts about this mouse is that it's pretty good. It's not too expensive. It's $12.99. I was seeing some like the super expensive like Logitech mouses, like the version 3 of it, where it's like super well made. It's like probably $80-$90, which is insane. Like, a mouse should not cost that much. It helps you go on your screen, click on things, do all that. If you're a gamer, yes, I can understand if you need a more expensive mouse, but if you're just trying to do day-to-day tasks, you just need something to rely on, I would actually probably recommend this. I personally was buying this with my own money. This was not a brand deal or anything, and I was looking this one up. It has great reviews, bunch of different color options. So if you guys have a certain color that you really like, this would be something to look into. It only takes a AA battery, so yeah. All right, so with all that being said, I hope you guys did find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.